What it do, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Desiree and I'm back on the cam with another video. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up button. And if you aren't new to my channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. But as y'all can see by the title, I'm finna give y'all my skincare routine. But this is the skincare routine I use when I wear makeup. And today I had on makeup. So I like to do a little extra to get deep in my pores because I personally feel like makeup wipes don't get everything off. So I've already used the makeup wipe and took everything off that the makeup wipe says it takes off, which is 100% whatever. But I'm gonna just show y'all the things that I use and then I'm gonna show you the steps. So first, I got exfoliating Dove soap. I got Dove cream. If I don't use this, then most likely I will use organic coconut oil. I have the Noxzema cream, the Noxzema pads, and then I have a towel. I have an exfoliating pad, and it's like a little rough. It's like an exfoliating pad. And when I'm in the tub or when I'm in the shower, I use the gloves, the exfoliating gloves. Get y'all some of these. Get y'all some of these. And my voice sound weird because I was playing today, y'all. We was lit today. Like, today's my sister's birthday. So, yeah, but today I wore makeup. So, I gotta get it, my skin right because I don't want no breakouts. I don't want no breakouts. So the first thing I do is I turn on the hot water. Either when I'm in my sink, I do straight hot water and I let the steam kind of get my face a little hot, get my pores opened up. And then after I got tired of the hotness on my face, I come in with my towel and put it in the hot water, get it soaked, and then sit my face in it for about 30 seconds to a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I might speed this up, but I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna turn my sink on. Hot water only, and I'm gonna just let the steam, it's kind of fogging up the camera, let the steam, let's get my face right here. That's what I'll be doing, my head down, but that's what I'm doing. Only do that for a little bit because it kind of like makes me sweat a little bit. And then I go in with my towel and I just get it all hot. Hot, 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 hot. Hot. Yeah, see this thing? And I'm just going to stick my face in it. And if it's too hot, I've seen people, it's easier if you do sections. Can you hear me? So if it's too hot, I've seen people do sections, so it's kind of easier for you. So you can just lay it here for a minute and do the top half for a minute. But I just do it all at once. So let me start out with my towel. It's not so hot no more. So, get my towel hot. You can see the steam. See the steam. And I just stick my face in. And now, yep, after that, I go in with the same towel, get my exfoliating Dove exfoliating gentle / beauty bar, and I lather it on my towel. So I'm just gonna soap it up with this soap. And I'm gonna clean my face. And I just do circular motions. Everywhere. And if you've known me for a while, y'all can probably go back into my old videos and see how terrible my skin used to be. It was also because of what I was eating and, you know, soda and stuff, but these exfoliating bars and this Noxzema has really helped me. But yeah. Okay, so just get it until you feel a little refreshed, like when you shower. So I feel good. I feel good. Da, 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 da. I'm really good now. I feel good. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. You know, keep away from your eyes, so we know that. So now I'm gonna rinse this out. I really hope y'all can hear me. I really hope y'all can hear me because I think my restroom echoes. So I'm just gonna rinse my towel out with hot water again. I'm gonna keep my pores open here. Hot water, hot water. And we're gonna circular motion and remove all the soap. Oh, I'm sorry, baby hairs. I normally kind of push them back before I do my face. But hey, y'all got a little makeup on y'all too. Okay. So. Okay. I'm done with that. Now I get my exfoliating pad and I put a little warm water on it. And I'll go circular over my skin. Then I get some of my cream. Not a lot. This is very strong. I've had this for about 4 months or 5 months, and this is all I've used it. Listen, y'all, this can go a long way. You just get your 2 fingers. Your dab. That's all you need. But once again, like I've said, I only use this when I wear. Only do this method when I wear makeup for the day. So I'm just gonna rub this everywhere. You don't have to do this in a circular motion because we're gonna go in with our exfoliating pad and kind of get deep in the skin. You feel me? Get deep in the skin. But then again, I haven't been going anywhere, so that could be another reason my skin has been clearing up super well since this quarantine. Haven't been touching things and accidentally touching my face, so. Oh. And always wash your hands before you touch your face, okay? Oh, I did not know that when I was young. And like, I knew it, but I didn't really know it. You feel me? Like I know now. So, I'm done with that. And just gonna put the top back on it because we're done. Okay, we're done with that. Put that up there. So now I'm gonna go back with this and I'm just gonna listen. I don't follow instructions, okay? I don't be reading the bottle or following instructions. I do what I go off my feelings, my heart, and yeah. But once again, I only do this when I wear makeup, because I think this gets all my makeup off because I be looking back to normal. So if y'all ain't got no exfoliating gloves, go ahead and get them, because honestly, I think every girl should get some. Everybody, not even girls, just girls, but everybody. So then I let it sit like this. It looks like a little, one of those little masks you get from Walmart. And I just let it sit like this for about a minute. And then I come back with this with hot water and rub this off. And then I do my last 2 steps. And I be done for the night. And I be done. So I'm gonna let this sit for 30 seconds. And I'm gonna talk to y'all. Listen, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button and comment some videos you want me to do. Follow, follow all my social medias. They is on the screen. They in the description. You can click them on my channel. They in the link. Like, come on. Like, follow all my social medias. Give me video ideas because like I said, I'm not slacking. I am not slacking. I'm finna do a video a day or 90 days. And if you don't like it, argue with your mama, not me, okay? But I really don't know how long that was. That was probably more than 30 seconds or less. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this on my face because I feel it. Feel my skin. Like, it feel like you feel like I just took a bath on my face. So I'm gonna just get hot water. Hot. Yeah, not boiling hot, but you know, as hot as your sink allows. You know, get all the product off with hot water, right? And then we'll come back in white, not circle, white. Look how beautiful my skin is looking. White. I am so sorry for this lighter, y'all. This is not my room. This is this is the bathroom, the guest bathroom in my house, and the light, we buy yellow light bulbs for this room, for this bathroom. So yeah, I'm sorry. So can y'all see the difference? Like since the beginning, like look at the difference. Like if you can't see it, I don't know what to tell you, boo. And I be like, I know people pat dry their face dry, but I like to let it dry natural. So I just do this until it dries, okay? And not all the way dry, just a little bit. Because my body, what, 75% water? I can give you the water on my face. So I just do this until it's dry. Then I come in with my Noxzema pads, they're like little pads. And I follow the instructions on these, y'all, because I did the wrong first time and my skin was burning. I don't want that no more. So for this one, I follow the instructions. So you're not supposed to rub this on your face. You're supposed to wipe. So like We're not supposed to live. I'm gonna give y'all an example. Do not do this. No, it's gonna burn. You wipe, just wipe, 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 wipe. No rub, okay? You ain't have no skin. I like to do both sides, so I look out, it's clean. It's how you make your face clean, no makeup. If you would have makeup on your face, it would have showed on this white pad. But it's clean. It's clean, so I just turn it over and I wipe one more time. My whole face. Clean, both sides. Look like a brand new pad. Okay, throw that in the trash. And I really don't want to use this one today. I normally use this one when I'm leaving because it's a thicker, like a thicker, it's very thick, look. Super thick. It's thick, so it lasts me all day. But since this is a nighttime routine, I'm going to bed. I don't want all that on my pillow. I'm gonna use organic coconut oil. We just gonna get our 2 fingers again. Go in there. About that much. Look, actually we're gonna get this because this little boy just had it greasy. Put it in my palm. Heat it up, heat it up, heat it up. Look at that. And I go. I only use one hand, y'all, because I'll be greasy on these little. If y'all go watch my reaction videos, I used to exfoliate before I did my videos, and I used to be greasy. So I don't do that anymore. But thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your channel. Why am I whispering? Subscribe to your channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I hope this was helpful. Yeah, it's a mirror right here. So if I'm looking right here, I'm looking at my skin to see if I got everywhere oiled. But hope this was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah. Oh my gosh. I put too much oil, but that's fine. My skin ain't mad. And this hand, I normally just rub right here because I just got the shower and yeah, you know. But thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you want my morning routine, which is, it's quick. So I may have to vlog when I do that one too. But yeah. If y'all want me and my daughter morning routine, or me and my daughter night routine, because I already did her routine and she sleep. She knocked out in the bed, sleep.